Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today's our topic is multiplication of 3-digit number with the 1-digit number with regrouping. So example is given, multiply 538 by 3. So we need to arrange the given sum in place value chart column and it is given over here. So let's understand it first. 538 multiplied by 3. Starting from ones column we'll do the multiplication. So 3 8s are. So count the table of 3 up to its 8th place. So 3 8s are 24. As the 24 is a 2-digit number, so we can't write directly in the answer place. So we'll write the 4 in answer place and give 2 as a carryover to its next. So 24, 4 and 2 its next as a carryover. Again 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2. We have to count the 3's table up to 3rd place, that is 3 3s are 9, and we have to add the carryovers in that number. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, that is 11. So how we will write 11? 1 is on answer place and 1 give carryover to its next. Again 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 6 is on answer place and 1 to it next as a carryover. Now next is nothing. As nothing is there, so we will write 1 directly to the answer place. So your answer is over here 1614. Next is multiplication of 4-digit number with a 1-digit number with regrouping. So example is given, multiply 2458 by 2. So this is given over here. Starting from ones column we'll perform the multiplication. So 2 8s are. Count the table of 2 up to 8th place. So 2 8s are 16. So we'll write 6 on answer place and 1 as a carryover to its next. Now 2 5s are 10. 10 plus carryover 1 is 11. So 1 again is on answer place and 1 as a carryover to its next. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 carryover is 9. And 2 2s are 4. So answer is 4916. Next is given. Example is 1267 by 3. So 1267 multiplied by 3. Starting from ones column. So count the table of 3 up to its 7th place. So 3 7s are 21. So how we will write 21? 1 is on answer place and 2 will give carryover to its next. Now 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 0 and 2 carry over to its next. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 carry over is 7 and 8. So answer is 8. And again 3 1s are 3. So answer is 3801. So with this we'll start our exercise 1.4. Find the product. Multiplication is also known as product. 253 multiplied by 8. So starting from ones column, 8 multiplied by 3. So count the table of 8 up to its 3rd place. So 8 3s are 24. So 4 we will write on answer place and will give 2 as carryover to its next. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. So 2 is on answer place and 4 carry over to its next. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. As 20 is 2-digit number, so we'll write 0 is on answer place and we'll give 2 its carryover. as nothing is there means 8 is nothing, no digit is there for multiplication for the 8, so we will write 2 directly to its answer place. So 2. So answer is 2024. Next I'll solve C sum over here. C is 3245 multiplied by 3. So starting from 1's column, 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1 carry over to its next. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 carry over is 13. So 3 and 1 carry over to its next. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 carry over is 7 and 3 3s are 9. So answer is 9735. This is how you can perform the multiplication. Question number 2, arrange in column and multiply. So it's 473. So first we need to arrange the given multiplication in this column. So 3 is on 1s, so 3 is on 1s. 7 is on 10s, 3 is on 100. Multiplied by 4. As 4 is a one digit number, so 4 we will place in 1's column. Starting from 1's column, we'll do the multiplication. 4 3s are 12. As 12 is two digit number, so we'll write 2 is on answer place and 1 will give carryover to its next. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1 carryover is 9. 29. So 9 is on answer place and 2 carryover to its next. Again 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So how we will write 14? 4 is on answer place and will give 1 carryover to its next. Now no digit is there for multiplication, so we will write 1 as it is in the answer place. So answer is 1492. B you will try to solve. I'll take C1. 1231 multiplied by 8. So let's first arrange in the given columns. 1 is on 1s, 3 is on 10s, 2 is on 100, 1 is on 1000 multiplied by 8. As 8 is one digit number, so we'll write in 1's column. So starting from 1's column, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 4 as 24 is two digit number, so we will write 4 is on answer place and give 2 carry over to its next number. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So 8 and 1 carry over to its next. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 carry over is 9. So your answer over here is 9848. So I hope you understand how to do the multiplication with regrouping. So you will try the rest of the sums.